Understanding open ports and port forwarding. When a port is open, it means that it is available for communication between processes. Ports are used for data exchange at the transport layer level, using TCP/UDP. In a local network, ports are continuously opened and closed by processes to communicate with other computers. If your computer acts as a server for services like FTP, web, SSH, VPN, or database, you need to open ports on your firewall. By default, in a home environment, the firewall is disabled and allows all incoming connections. If you want to make services on your local network accessible from the internet, you need to do port forwarding on your router. This allows data flows to be forwarded to the computer with the open ports. Note that if your operator has CGNAT, opening ports externally won't grant access to internal resources. You don't attack a port directly, but rather the service behind it. Port scanning is commonly used to check which ports are open on a computer. Nmap is a popular tool for port scanning and can also exploit known vulnerabilities. If there is a service behind an open port, a cybercriminal can perform various actions. Everything you need to know. They can check the service's operation, attempt to authenticate through brute force, launch denial of service attacks, or exploit security vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access or control. To protect services behind open ports, it is important to configure the firewall properly, filter access by countries, mitigate DOS attacks, and harden the service and operating system. While no system is 100% secure, implementing these security measures can greatly reduce the risk of incidents.